Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. It's really wonderfully overcast sky today, and I find that when it's overcast, it can be that much easier to sort of see the sphericity of the sky. It feels less flat, more concave as I look up. And so the comparative visualization for me is the sky of the lower jiao, the diaphragm, right? So I'll do this with diaphragmatic breathing, and a lot of people will learn diaphragmatic breathing with the palms on the body. So you could certainly do that as a variation in your Tai Chi practice. But I also will practice it doing my Tai Chi practice the way you'd expect it to look, or a variation might be do, the right arm of the Tai Chi practice, but keeping the lower hand for that belly breathing. So I'm tuned into the chest, doing little moving, and the belly distending as I inhale and settling in or pressing in even as I exhale. But the visualization here is like the sky, is to really feel that as I inhale, the diaphragm comes closer to the earth, comes closer to the pelvic floor. As I exhale, the diaphragm rebounds or returns to that higher sphericity that I might see on a sunny day rather than overcast. So, as with a lot of things like this, if you cannot feel it, perhaps you can just visualize it. If you can't visualize it, perhaps you can simply imagine it and see if you can find some grounding by tuning into the sky through the practice of the diaphragm. So, thank you very, very much. And don't forget, there's so much limitless within the limits of Tai Chi Chuan.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.